welcome back to Just Reviews. I know बहुत time हो गया है, but I promise now on we will have new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and we'll have special videos on weekend if it is possible for us to record. I don't want to mess up with the quality. I want to maintain the quality. That's why it took so long. I was planning a lot of things, but now I am back. So let's get started and video पूरा end तक देखना, because बीच बीच में I'm going to announce the Amazon coffee frother के giveaway winners. I know you guys are waiting for so long, so your wait is over. Now we have the winners, but today's video is all about the summer essentials which I have brought from Nykaa, and I'm also organizing a holy giveaway which is going to be my next video. So make sure you do subscribe, or if you don't win in today's giveaway video, do not be disheartened, do not unsubscribe. We'll have more giveaways. We are soon going to be 1k, so jaldi se subscribe karo, like karo, and comment karo what all videos do you want to see. So let's get started with the video and let's see what my recommendations for your upcoming summers are. Let's get started. So the first product which I've been crushing on is this Body Shop Tea Tree Ka face wash. This retails for $6.95. I know it is on the pricier side, but guys, you get 250 ml of product and this lasts me for 3 to 4 months, and this is apt for combination to oily skin. If you are on the dry skin side, I won't recommend it. Then I would recommend the Face Shop's rice or moong dal. Their range is beautiful, you can go for that. But for oily skin and combination skin, this is a must. You guys gotta have this. Then I'm not going in any particular order. I have a basket full of stuff right here in front of me, and I'm just gonna go as I grab things. So next I have this Wow body butter in my hand. This is the rose variant. It smells amazing, amazing. We have used this all throughout the winters. It is almost empty, and now we are loving this in summers. But one thing I would recommend, once you take a bath, just lather it on, then you will be moisturized for the whole day. Do not think that you sweat so you don't need to moisturize. Everybody needs to moisturize, guys. So I highly recommend this. This is non-sticky and absorbs super quickly into the body. Then we have my favorite mask. This does not look very pretty because it is overused. This is the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask Detoxify variant. I think this one retails for 700 to 800 bucks, but you can easily get it on 50% off on Nykaa. Just keep your eye on the sale, and I got this one for around 350 to 400, and it is worth it. I have an individual video on it which I'm going to definitely link down below. So next up, I have a crush on Wadi's face mask. This is, I think, the almond and honey variant. I have overused it. Then I have another one which is the Kesar Chandan face pack. These are just for 115, and I think I got them for 70 to 80 rupees, and these are must. I mean, this tooth suits all skin types, gives an instant glow. Do not go with the fair skin thing, because for me, when a product says it's for getting a fairer skin, I believe that it's there to remove my tan and give me a glow. So I highly recommend this Wadi's face mask. There is also one variant, I think, which is in the neem, which is really good for acne, but this will suit all skin types and it's amazing. So next I have a PR package from Dermaco. Just because it's a PR package, it's not here, but I really love this mask. This is the 2% salicylic acid face mask. I will definitely make a video in detail. This one retails for 499 rupees, and it is a great mask if you have active acne. So if you want a review, I'm going to make a review either here or on Instagram. So let me know in the comment section below. Then if you are heading to any party or anything, Corona to kahin gaya nahi hai. So what to do if you want a glowing skin? I have a lot of masks, guys. I'm a mask person. I love masking. So I have these Tony Moly sheet masks. I love the Innisfree and Face Shop sheet masks, but they are over. So I got these Tony Moly ones, and these are equally as good if you are like me who doesn't like getting facial. So you can definitely, before an important event, or once I mean, when I got married, I did sheet masking for 7 days straight, and I did not get any treatment from any parlor, and my skin was glowing, guys. So I highly recommend using sheet mask, whichever suits you. Tony Moly ones and Innisfree ones are great. Innisfree Rose variant is my favorite. So as I was saying, for the normal to oily skin, you can go for Rice Water Bright face wash from the Face Shop. This is amazing, and Face Shop always has great deals on Nykaa, so you can get your hands on it. Then for oily skin types, I have another face wash, which is NMT, so you know how much I love it. It is the VLCC Alpine Mint and Tea Tree face wash. It is a drugstore product, and this one retails for I think 200 to 230, and it is amazing for oily skin. You won't believe, my whole family loves this. Even, you know, people request me to send this to them. So just get this, how amazing this face wash is, especially for summers. You are going to love the cooling effect it gives on you. So I highly recommend this one. Then I have an OG product for my hair. So I have decided to make a dedicated video for my hair care routine and everything. But this is a serum which is about to finish. I see many beauty influencers have got this in their PR, so they are raving about this, but I use it from more than 1.5 to 2 years, and I love this matrix serum. I have also recommended my husband to use it, but since boys are very lazy, but he also really likes it. This is a great serum. I got this when I got my smoothing done, but now it's over. So now I don't have any scrubber or exfoliants right now because I'm trying a lot of new things. I'm trying the Dot & Key AHA BHA peel solution. I think that is what it is. People are raving a lot about it. I've used it 2 times, and I'm definitely going to make a video after a month or 2 months of use. So wait for that. Then I have another very important things for female hygiene, which is these intimate hygiene wipes from VWash. I got this in a combo when I purchased the VWash, but in summers or even if you're traveling or anything, I highly recommend you to buy these because intimate hygiene is very important, guys. Let's not ignore it. We all sweat it, but then let's not ignore it. It can lead to bacteria, germs and whatnot. So if you want to smell good, get these. Then I have this Miss Claire charcoal nose pore strip. I have tried a lot of pore strips. I love the Innisfree ones, the lava pore ones, and this is the Miss Claire ones just because I wanted to get a black strip, just by, you can see the whiteheads coming out. This works great, but Innisfree works better. This is the last one left. Innisfree is finished, so I really need to stock up on these. Then let's come to toners and then moisturizers. So I have 3 favorite toners here. One is the Good Vibes pomegranate toner, another one is plum green tea toner. Then I have Kama Ayurveda pure rose water. I love this. This is a great stuff. But if you want to go thoda sasta, you can get these 2. These work great if you have any skin type. So now let's talk about winners. I am just speaking, not talking about winners. I know you guys are waiting. So the first winner to win Amazon Coffee Frother, let me just pull out the list. It is Anita Yadav. Congratulations, girl. I know you have been following me since the starting, and I love you for that. So you are the first winners. DM me all the details in the Instagram. In my DM, I'm going to reply. Then the second winner is Manju Chikara. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Congratulations, girl. Thank you for supporting me. The third winner is Draw with Akash. This boy is really talented, guys, and he has been following me since a long time. So congratulations. Just send me out your details on Instagram, guys. And the fourth winner is Shimmer Singh. I know this girl has been following me since the start. I remember this name because she always comments in every video. Then the last and the fifth winner is Megha. So congratulations to all the winners. 5 people have won this amazing Amazon Coffee Frother. If you want to participate in the next giveaway, which is a Nykaa haul plus giveaway, so make sure you do subscribe to my channel jaldi se, and do comment down below what all giveaways you want because I love gifting things to you people. So now let's just come to very important step, which is moisturizers. So first I have this Body Shop Tea Tree Mattifying Lotion. This retails for 995 rupees, but guys, I started breaking out because of one product, and I love this product because just in 2 days of use, it will get rid of all your acne. In fact, when I was in Gurgaon 4 years back, I had those cystic acne kind of, and my dermat recommended me to switch to the Body Shop Tea Tree range, and since then I love the Body Shop range. Then I have another light moisturizing emulsion. It is rice ceramide from the Face Shop. I love this thing. I've been using it since 2 months. It's half down there. I just love how lightweight and how deeply moisturizing this thing is. This thing is going to moisturize your skin. Even if you are a dry skin type, combination oily, this will moisturize you without giving any breakouts. So let's come to the last essentials. I just have a lip balm, a lip scrub. You all know that's important, guys, if you wear a lot of lipsticks. Then the last thing, ignore मत करना, घमौरियाँ सबको होती है. So you should have one Dermicool or Navratna. I love this. My husband loves this. I think everybody loves this. We have been using since childhood. So I have this in mint fresh. इसके साथ Dandu Balm free था. We love Dandu Balm also. So Navratan is I highly recommend it. Then I have a lot of deos and perfumes. If you want to see my collection, let me know. But this one, especially from Rexona or Nivea, this roll-on perfume kind of thing, which goes under your underarms and all that kind of stuff. This really smells fresh. This does not have a strong fragrance, but this definitely helps you in stopping that body odor. So guys, this is all the products that I have, and I recommend you all to have in your summer kit. मैंने हर चीज़ के 2-3 ऑप्शंस रखे. You don't need to have everything. You just need to have one thing from every part. These are the essentials which we use in our daily life. So I hope you liked today's video. In next video, let me give you a little sneak peek. I'm gonna give away makeup products worth 2000. Yes, worth 2000 here on my channel as a holy giveaway. So that video is going to come up on Friday. Make sure you subscribe, comment down, show me your participation, and any one of you can win that hamper. So jaldi se subscribe karo, comment karo, like karo. I love you all.